Guys, I'm today just download the stuff from Genos direct from the internet, free one, and this one, and I wanna check the sound on the Giglad, and this stuff I wanna check the sound later on the vArranger just to see which one is different, how it's working. This stuff is the absolutely free from the internet. I'm not redacted, not edit, absolutely not changed, nothing. It's natural. Let's to check the sound, and I have the many mess on the tracks. So have a look now what happened. Okay, this is the styles. Okay, let's to see. Let's to see the next one. The old tracks is playing with the this is with the sampler. The sampler was the included inside. I'm not check the drums like this one. This is from the sampler. This sampler, DM Hicks sampler. Which one is the included inside? I'm just in the nothing change. Let's go on the. Let's go on the next style. Let's see this and Brazilian pop. Next one. Oh, reggaeton. Let's see reggaeton. See next one. Let's go now on the vArranger and check the same style. Here, what happened? This is the same style. Genos. Let's first one to see what happened. get a little bit better from the Giglad, or maybe not. Same mess or something. Yes, nothing. Oh, reggaeton. Let's see reggaeton here. Yes, now when I'm edit little bit from the change the tracks, it's little bit good, but for me, again, it's when you get from the internet, it's look at like that. I am so hope to be useful for you and just in the ready, be ready from the next my video. Should be interesting for you as well. Thank you very much.